So, what's up, guys? As you can see, today I'm filming on my phone because it's yet another video. So today I'm going to be talking about you don't necessarily have to have a camera so that you can be carrying out photos, making those cool edits that people make. You don't necessarily have to have those badass cameras, the 1DX Mark II, to be a great photographer. You can just start here with your phone. So you can just use any basic phone with a camera, and then you can edit it. We are going to be editing the photos in Adobe Lightroom. So let's get to the video, guys, and let's see how it turns out. I shot that on my phone, and then I converted it to this. So you head out to where you keep your photos in your gallery. Then I'm going to transfer this photo to Adobe Lightroom. As I told you, you can buy it, or you can download it from Google Play Store. So you head out to where you keep your photos in your gallery. Then I'm going to transfer this photo to Adobe Lightroom. As I told you, you can buy it, or you can download it from Google Play Store. I'm going to link it in the description below. So it's import is finished, so you just click on the preset that you want, then you enter. So the first basic thing that I always like to do is adjust the light. Okay, I can decrease the exposure a little bit just to remove that light. Can increase the contrast to increase the contrast of the colors, as you can see. Then I can decrease the highlights a little bit to remove the whites in my image. Then the shadows a little bit, I can increase them around there. As for the whites, I can increase them to the whites, and reduce the blacks, because I'm going for a kind of vintage look. Then I head on to the curves. I do a 3-point curve. So here at the middle, right here, and here at the center, so they get those. At the middle, it's the mid-tones. Here's the highlights, and here's the shadows. So I'm just going to increase the shadows a little bit, and about there seems right. Okay, head off to the blue. Just give it a little tinge of red, a little bluish, not so much, but okay, that there. Then a little of that. As you can see from those basic things, the photo already looks more dynamic. So as you can see from those basic things, the photo already looks dynamic, but I think you can still adjust something. So I suggest you adjust the blues right there. Yeah, that seems okay, and you're done. So you can head over here. You can head over to the sharpening. You can increase the sharpness of your image a little bit, not so much as to spoil the image, just a little bit. And then you can also increase the clarity. That's if you did not focus well on your face, so it just gives more texture to your photo. Okay. Then what I also like to add is like a profile. So there's this very cool one, that's medium 8. You'll find all this in the Adobe Premiere. So as you can see, it gives it a more dynamic look, a look that brings out the colors the way I like. You can try out this vintage 8. It basically gives you more depth in your shot. So that's it. You can adjust the color effect, to get the color that you want, get what you need. adjust all of it, and when you get the look that you're looking for, you know, you just, everyone has a preference, so just when you get the look that you're looking for, you can proceed. You can proceed to okay. One cool thing that I like about this is that for each and every profile that you have saved, you have the option to save that profile for use in another photo. So for example, look at this. I can click here, and then I can copy settings. All the settings that I used to create that effect, I can copy them, and now as they are copied, I can simply drag them into another photo. Let's choose a photo from my gallery. So I can choose this, then I can add it. Oh, okay. So this is the photo. This is the photo. So I can click here and paste settings. You see, it changes the color. Okay, this is not ideally perfect, but it changes the color to match the preset that you have saved. Let's try it again. I had a preset for this. I had made this photo earlier from here, a shot of me skating. So like, you can create a preset for it. Let it load a little bit. You can copy settings, all the settings that were used in that photo, and then you can come drag them to this photo. You can paste the settings, and as you can see, it gives it those colors that you needed in that other photo, and then now you can adjust the effects and all those things. Another cool thing is that you have the option to crop your photos. So you can crop your photos. For Instagram, you just give them a 4:5 crop. That will make them not lose quality while you're posting on Instagram. I'm going to make a video on that. And basically that's it. You can also increase the temperature, play around with the colors, the hues, and everything, and so that you can get a very cool edit. So that's it for today, guys. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to link all these things that I've done in the description below, and just as I've told you, don't have to have a great talent to be a photographer, just have to have anything that can. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hit the subscribe button, like it, and yeah, let's continue making these videos, making this channel more interesting, and see how it goes. I'm going to leave everything I've talked about in the description below, so make sure to look at it, guys. Yeah, bye.